how much you guys think these yard dogs get paid? You know, this guy at the restroom, I was talking to him in the restroom, so I was interested in applying for something like that. He says it's starting pay is $42 an hour being a yard dog. You just get the containers from here, take them over to the ship, the crane gets them and puts them on the boat. A union job, all holidays paid, weekends off, medical, dental. They get paid $42 an hour starting pay, $42 an hour being a yard dog here at the port.